This year, we're launching off our new venture for us. We've got Joy and Trish from Canada. We're going to start manufacturing our Deco products up in Canada, so it's really exciting.
I've been to Canada 3 times doing training, and I love it. I mean, their opportunities there are second to none. So I believe we're going to just knock it out of the park there.
Well, we were at an industry event with the PWNA, and we met Aaron and Mark and started talking about their products, and we became very interested very quickly.
Part of the thing too with the Deco product and some of the products in the US in general, we can't get them in Canada, but we are now going to be the manufacturers of Deco in Canada. We're not just bringing the product around, we're going to be making it in Canada for our Canadians.
Since they've been down here in Florida, they've been really learning all aspects of how to strip, sand, clean, seal, everything. We're teaching them about all of our product line, our Silicast, our Travacast, Deco 20 Clear, Bio Blacktop. We've got many products that we're going to be training them on.
We're just so grateful and so blessed that these guys have taken us under their wing, and we just feel a great sense of pride to actually know these guys and call them family.
I know her name is Joy, but they are a joy. They are so fun to be with. We are like a family. Again, enthusiasm that those two have, second to none.
Deco Canada, tell everybody, eh?
So at Deco Products, give us a call, 800-500-DECO. We have reps and we have stores all around the country. We can direct you to where you need to purchase product or who's in your area to help you. From our family to your family, thank you for choosing Deco Products. Tell everyone.
Tell everybody!